Hello guys, you're back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us continue with the aggregate functions, and we'll also discuss about ordering, and we'll be moving on to string operations, guys. So these are the three simple topics which we'll be discussing in this particular lecture, guys. Okay. So when it comes to database management system, we are going to store multiple data in our databases, right? So at that time, if sometimes we want to perform some calculations on some particular columns, right? So like assume that is your marks or your college score, like your college students score. So at that time we want to perform average, or you want to find the who got the minimum marks, who got the maximum marks, you want to count how many are there. So those type of things can be done directly, right? Yes. So those are nothing but popularly called as aggregate functions, guys. So average, minimum, maximum, sum and count. Okay, so your question will be, okay, so we understood this, but how we are going to apply it? Okay, so when it comes to average, minimum, maximum and sum, you can directly apply it onto a particular column, guys. So we will be writing select column name, right? So here only you can write average of that particular column, so you will get the only the average value. So in that way you can directly apply all these things, but only when it comes to count. So count you cannot apply in this way, right? So what we do for count is we will write star for it, guys. Okay, so I think everyone is confused, like what do I mean by star, right? So in this way, select count star. So here you will write star. So it is going to count how many rows are in this account. So in that way this count operation will work. Got it? Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea on this, right? Yes. And if you try to apply minimum and maximum for alphabets, so basically in a normal ways we think that minimum and maximum will be applied only for numericals, right? But when it comes to aggregate functions in SQL, you can apply it even for our data in terms of text also. So it is going to print the smallest letter like A, whichever are starting with A, like that. So basically it is like dictionary. So in dictionary, what is the first word, like that it is going to print. Okay, yes, in your database what is the first word based on dictionary, so in that way it is going to print. Okay, yes. Okay, so that those 5 functions are called as aggregate functions. Okay, so now moving on, the ordering of a particular thing, guys. Okay, so whenever we want to perform ordering on a particular thing, so assume that you want to do ordering based on ascending order or descending order. So assume that you want to print the printer's toppers list. So at that time you want maximum persons who scored, right? So in the maximum to minimum order. Okay, that is nothing but descending order. So or in ascending order if you want. So these type of things you can print it based by using this order by class, guys. Okay, so this is a continuation class for where class. So after where class you will find this order by class. So assume that you wanted to print the branch names based on their order in terms of ascending order or descending order. Okay, yes. Okay, so select branch name. So you are printing the branch names from a branch table. Okay, so from a branch table you are printing branch names where branch underscore city. So you want to select the city which belongs to only Delhi, order by branch name, or you can write it order by assert. Okay, yes. So now you understood, right? So exactly how it is working, and by default it is going to sort it based on its ascending order, guys. If you want to maintain in descending order, order by DESC you are going to write. If you want to do it in ascending order, you will be writing it ASCE. Got it? Yes. So now this is all about ordering, guys. Okay, similarly we are having a string operations also. Okay, so assume that you are in search of something. So basically assume that you are Google search engine, guys. So when it comes to Google search engine, so whenever you are typing something in Google, automatically the next things will come, right? So if I write AB, then C will come. So in that way, if you try to write someone name, so his continuation name will come, right? So the next letters before typing only they will come, right? Yes. So in that same way, if we want to find the strings like based on prefix or based on some patterns, we can use this string operations, guys. Okay, and remember, whenever you are writing any string in terms of SQL, write it in single quotes or double quotes, guys. So any quotes will work, but use single quotes or double quotes. You make it as a standard and use it. Okay, yes. And strings are case sensitive also. Okay, yes. Okay, so let us continue. So now there are 2 popular operations, guys. So the first operation is percentage and the second operation is the underscore. So percentage is mainly used for, I told you, like search engine. So basically it is used for search engine. So basically if I write in this way. So assume in this way. So select branch name. So first let us discuss about percentage. So select branch name from branch where branch underscore city like Delhi. So here like means it is indirectly saying equal to, guys. So for text, most of the students or most of the faculty will be using like, guys. Rather than writing equal to, they are going to use like. So branch city like Delhi, or branch city like percentage Nagpur. So what this percentage Nagpur says is, so any particular state with ending with Nagpur. So there could be anything before. So it is indirectly like substring only, right? So before Nagpur, anything could be there. So after that, Nagpur will be there. Okay. Yes. So that is the concept of percentage. And when it comes to underscore, okay, or ending. So this is ending with Nagpur. And if you write Muzaffar, okay, so Muzaffar Nagar, assume in that way. Okay. Yes. Muzaffar Nagar. So this is the starting with Muzaffar Nagar and percentage. Muzaffar and percentage. After that Muzaffar, anything could be there. And similarly percentage Gar. Okay. Yes. So in that way, here percentage Gar percentage. So basically Gar is in between, right? Yes. So before that and after that, anything could be there, right? Yes. So that is the working of percentage, guys. So percentage means anything in simple words. Okay. Yes. Okay. So percentage ready. So basically any person's name whose name is ending with ready will come here. Similarly, you can assume some letter also, right? So whose name starts with E, so E percentage. So whose name starts with E will come here. After E, anything could be there, right? Yes. So this is with respect to percentage, guys. And similarly, we are having underscore. So when it comes to underscore is for single character, guys. So assume that you want to find the names which starts with A underscore, only 2-letter names and starting with A. So it's a bit funny, but so okay, so let us keep first dash A dash. So a name like SAI, Sai. So a names like this will come, right? So first there could be any letter, after that A should be there, after that there could be one letter. So this is the concept of underscore, guys. So this is for single character, got it? Yes. And mostly these things or mostly these like operators are used only with the like, guys. So you cannot write equal to and you cannot try using them. There should be mandatorily a like, and that is the reason why these are called as like operators, got it? Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to this like operators, order by class, and the aggregate functions. So in the next lecture, we'll be discussing in detail about group by class and halving class, guys. So these two are also really important, because when we are discussing about PYQPs, you will most probably see group by and halving a class really popularly, guys. Okay. Yes. So in the next lecture, let us discuss about them. Okay. Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.